In the secretive world of military technology, a groundbreaking development has emerged. 2 years after the delivery of the B-6112 tactical nuclear bomb, an annual report by the National Nuclear Security Administration has unveiled a stunning revelation. The Air Force has successfully integrated the B-6112 onto its fleet of B-2 Spirit stealth bombers. These flying wing jets, part of the 509 the bomb wing based at Whiteman Air Force Base, are a testament to cutting-edge aviation technology. The B-6112 marks a departure from its predecessors, boasting a new tail kit with moving fins and spin-stabilizing rockets. This innovation enables precision strikes, landing within 30 meters of a target using inertial navigation or a remarkable 5 meters with GPS access. This enhanced precision translates to smaller warheads and reduced collateral damage, a game-changer in tactical nuclear capabilities. Yet, critics warn of the temptation it poses, raising concerns about the risk of nuclear proliferation. By 2025, around 480 B-6112s are expected to replace older models, with plans for integration into various aircraft, from stealth fighters to tactical jets. The B-2 Spirit takes center stage in this strategic upgrade, leveraging its stealth capabilities and the precision guidance of the B-6112. A crucial asset in times of war, the B-2 ensures the lowest risk of losses in delivering a powerful tactical nuclear attack. The B-6112's flexibility extends to its adjustable yield, ranging from 3 kilotons to a maximum of 50 kilotons. A significant advancement, ensuring destruction of bunker-sized targets with a 30-60-meter wide crater. Its classified standoff capability, estimated to not exceed 15 miles, significantly enhances the survivability of non-stealth aircraft, a critical factor in the face of evolving air defense threats. Beyond its technological prowess, the B-6112 holds geopolitical significance. As tensions rise with formidable adversaries and nuclear-capable regional powers, these tactical nukes play a pivotal role in deterrence. As the world grapples with the delicate balance of power, the B-6112 stands at the forefront, a symbol of advanced technology, strategic deterrence, and the hope that its improved efficiency will never be put to a real-world test.